Want to bring the taste of Turkish streets right to your kitchen? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share a recipe that's perfect for when you're bored at home and want to try something more exciting than plain bread. Turkish Simit. These sesame crusted bread rings are crispy and amazing for breakfast, dinner, or even a tasty sandwich like the one I will show you later. Let's dive into the ingredients and make some simits together. To making dough, you will need all-purpose flour, salt, warm water, warm milk, vegetable oil, sugar, and dry yeast. Now it's time to mix the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, combine half of glass warm water, quarter glass warm milk, a quarter cup oil, and half of teaspoon sugar, and 5 grams dried meat. Stir well and let it sit for 5 minutes. In another bowl, sniff 2 1/4 glass all-purpose flour, then add half tablespoon salt. Add half of this flour mix to the wet ingredients and stir. Gradually add the rest, mixing until it forms a soft dough. It might not look perfect yet, that's okay. Sprinkle a clean kitchen counter or table with a little flour. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it's smooth. Lightly oil a bowl, place the dough inside and cover it with a cloth. Let it rest for an hour, it will puff up nicely. If you're in a rush, 1 hour is enough, but 2 hours makes it even fluffier. After resting, gently knead the dough for a minute, divide it into 8 equal balls. For perfect sizing, use a kitchen scale if you want. Take 2 balls, roll each into a long snake-like rope. Twist the 2 ropes together. I showed you how to do that. Then connect the ends to form a ring and repeat to make 4 simit rings. Let's prepare the sesame coating. Toast half glass sesame seeds in a dry pan over medium heat for 2 or 3 minutes until golden. Keep stirring so they don't burn. In a shallow bowl, mix half glass water with a quarter cup grape masala. Dip each simit ring into the masala water mix, then coat it with the toasted sesame seeds. Place the simit rings on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the simits for 2 or 25 minutes until they are golden and crispy. Your simits are ready. These beauties are perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I made a delicious sandwich with mine tonight, which you're seeing now. And there you have it, homemade turkey simit. Try them with your favorite sandwich fillings or just enjoy with tea. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. See you next time. Bye!